Commotion Mosaic Assemblage. Why should you take this course? Well, I think that the biggest benefit to taking this course is, in addition to learning new skills, all of that stuff you've got in your stash, in your craft area, all the beads and the bits and the fun little things. Well, here is a way that you will get to use them to make amazing, lovely things. Hi, I'm Christy Friesen, and I'm going to be teaching this course. I've been an artist all my life, and I have been actively teaching online and all over the world for the last 20 years. And I would love you to join me in what I think is going to be a super exciting class. What are you going to be learning in this course? Well, we have a lot of things to do. You're going to be sculpting with polymer clay. You're going to be creating polymer mosaics on a polymer form. In other words, we'll be creating little tiles or tesserae out of polymer and then learning how to put them on a three-dimensional polymer form. You will be using epoxy clay as your substrate. Perhaps you've never used epoxy clay before, and let me tell you, it is wonderful, you're gonna love it, and we're gonna explore how to do that properly. Another thing is mosaic assembly techniques and tricks. Not only how to create in this assemblage style, but what to use and how to use all the various elements. And I guarantee you're already going to have a stash of those lying around. We'll be playing with powders and using them as part of surface design effects. We're learning that in this course. And finally, you'll be learning finishing skills, how to take that piece you've made out of your mosaic assemblage and polymer clay techniques and finish it up so that it's professional and ready to hang. So reserve your spot now for this free live online course over at CuriousMondo.com, where we're going to open the door for possibilities and creativity. Come join me.